Welcome back, fellow travelers. Today, we're exploring an amazing topic: 10 countries that will pay you to live there. Yes, you heard that right. These countries are offering incredible incentives to attract new residents. So, if you've ever dreamt of starting a new life abroad, stay tuned because one of these destinations might just be your next home. List number 1. Italy. Embrace the slow life in rural areas. Italy is renowned for its stunning landscapes, rich history, and delectable cuisine. Recently, certain rural towns in Italy have launched initiatives to combat depopulation and rejuvenate their communities. For instance, the town of Sambuca di Sicilia offered up to $1 to $2 per square meter of property to new residents who committed to renovating and living in these homes. Why Italy? Cultural heritage. Immerse yourself in world-class art, architecture, and food. Lifestyle. Enjoy the relaxed pace of rural Italian life, rich traditions, and scenic beauty. Incentives. Property subsidies and potential tax breaks. List number 2. Spain. A Mediterranean dream with financial perks. Spain's approach to attracting new residents is less about direct cash and more about appealing to lifestyle seekers. The Balearic Islands, including Mallorca and Ibiza, offer incentives such as tax breaks for remote workers and entrepreneurs. The city of Zaragoza also offers relocation grants to attract skilled professionals. Why Spain? Climate. Enjoy warm Mediterranean weather and beautiful coastlines. Culture. Rich history, lively festivals, and delicious cuisine. Incentives. Tax breaks and grants for specific professions and entrepreneurs. List number 3. Portugal. The Golden Visa Program and beyond. Portugal's Golden Visa Program is a pathway to residency for investors, but it also supports other forms of relocation. Cities like Lisbon and Porto have initiatives aimed at encouraging remote workers and retirees. Additionally, rural areas of Portugal offer financial incentives to attract new residents and counteract urban-rural migration. Why Portugal? Quality of life, high standard of living, safety, and friendly locals. Cost of living, generally lower than many Western European countries. Incentives, Golden Visa Program, tax benefits, and grants for relocation. List number 4. Japan. Rural revitalization and unique opportunities. Japan has been facing challenges with an aging population and declining rural areas. To address this, some rural prefectures offer subsidies and financial support to attract new residents. For instance, Aomori Prefecture and Shiman Prefecture offer relocation incentives, including housing subsidies and job support. Why Japan? Culture. Rich cultural heritage, modern cities, and traditional experiences. Innovation, advanced technology and infrastructure. Incentives, housing subsidies and financial support in rural areas. List number 5. Estonia, digital nomad friendly. Estonia has become a hotspot for digital nomads and remote workers due to its innovative e-residency program. While not offering direct payments to move, it provides a favorable environment for entrepreneurs and freelancers with its digital nomad visa. This program allows you to live and work in Estonia while managing a business remotely. Why Estonia? Tech savvy, known for its digital advancements and startup culture. Lifestyle, high quality of life with a focus on innovation and technology. Incentives, e-residency and digital nomad visa benefits. List number 6. Alaska, USA. The Permanent Fund Dividend. Alaska offers a unique incentive through its Permanent Fund Dividend program. While not exactly paying you to move there, residents receive an annual dividend from the state's oil revenues. This financial benefit can be a significant boost for those considering relocating to the last frontier. Why Alaska? Natural beauty, stunning landscapes and outdoor adventures. Dividends. Annual financial payouts from the state's oil revenues. Lifestyle. Opportunity for those who love a rugged and independent lifestyle. List number 7. New Zealand. A welcoming approach for skilled workers. New Zealand doesn't offer direct payments to move, but it does have a range of incentives for skilled workers and entrepreneurs. The Talent, accredited employers, work visa and entrepreneur work visa provide pathways to residency for those with skills in demand. Additionally, some regions offer relocation grants for people moving to fill job shortages. Why New Zealand? Scenic beauty, known for its breathtaking landscapes and outdoor activities. Lifestyle, safe, friendly, and high quality of life. Incentives, work visas and regional relocation grants. List number 8, Canada, provincial nominee programs and more. Canada's provincial nominee programs, PNPs, allow provinces to nominate individuals for immigration based on local labor needs. Some provinces offer financial incentives and support for newcomers in areas with high demand for certain skills. Saskatchewan and Newfoundland and Labrador are known for their attractive relocation packages and support for new residents. Why Canada? Diversity, multicultural society with a high quality of life. Opportunities, various provincial programs to support skilled workers. Incentives, provincial nomination programs and relocation support. List number 9, Cyprus, tax benefits and citizenship by investment. Cyprus offers tax incentives and a citizenship by investment program, making it an attractive destination for those looking to relocate. The Cyprus Investment Program provides a pathway to citizenship for investors who contribute to the country's economy. Additionally, tax benefits and low cost of living make Cyprus appealing for new residents. Why Cyprus? Climate, warm Mediterranean weather and beautiful beaches. Tax benefits, attractive tax incentives for new residents. Opportunities, citizenship by investment and favorable living conditions. List number 10, Greece, incentives for remote workers. Greece is working to attract remote workers and retirees with its new visa programs. The digital nomad visa and other residency options offer favorable conditions for those looking to live in Greece. Additionally, some regions provide relocation incentives to encourage people to move to less populated areas. Why Greece? History, rich cultural heritage and historic sites. Lifestyle, Mediterranean lifestyle with a focus on relaxation and enjoyment. Incentives, digital nomad visa and regional relocation benefits. Conclusion. As we conclude our exploration of 10 countries that will pay you to live there, remember that the world is full of opportunities for those seeking adventure, a change of scenery, or new career prospects. Whether you're drawn to the serene landscapes of New Zealand or the bustling cities of Spain, these countries offer more than just financial incentives. They offer a chance to embrace a new way of life. Join us next time as we uncover more exciting destinations and opportunities around the globe. Until then, dream big, explore boldly, and may your journey be filled with endless possibilities.